Who the hell is that? Oh, come on. Really? You?
Me.
I gotta get my locks changed. You guys are ridiculous. Alright, well, there better not be anybody left after you, because I've had it. And obviously, yes, I see where you're going with this. And yes, I'll get you some sneakers. And, you know, give me a little bit.
What fun! What fun!
How is it fun for you? You don't do anything. I'll see you in a couple days. Ridiculous. Why is it so loud in here? I wanted to show... Really? Darth Maul likes house music? Seriously? I was gonna get you, and you stole the Stormtrooper sneaker. I was gonna get you a new pair of sneakers, you jerk. I can't hear what you're saying, man. It's really loud in here. I mean, look what I built you, man. Seriously. I didn't set the lights up this way, but apparently Darth Maul likes going to nightclubs when he takes his hood off and takes that stupid stuff off his face. Alright, well... He's a low-level employee. Give the sneakers back. I'll get you another one. Ah, whatever. Sneaks and Geeks, everybody. It's always something. Enjoy. Darth Maul and his dumb house music. I'm kidding. I like house music. Alright, man. I'm changing the locks on my door. No more of you Empire guys, you know, Jedi or otherwise, are getting in here. That's it. Enough. I got a partner coming in, and he'll take care of you and all your other... The Force doesn't work with me, buddy. Alright? For you people out there, Sneaks and Geeks, Darth Maul, Adidas Special Edition Stormtrooper sneakers, and Darth Maul likes clubbing. See you soon. All right. Hey everybody. Darth Maul apparently likes club music, and he stole the Stormtroopers Adidas Special Edition sneakers. I don't know. Computer looks good. And once again, welcome to Sneaks and Geeks. See you next time.